Just look at this video. If you were the bride and this is happening on your wedding day, what will you do? And if you were the groom, what would you do? Because right now, like,
nobody should come around. Sit wherever you're supposed to sit.
it's crazy looking at it. Because the groom, I'm going to hold on to my thoughts for now. And I want you guys to let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Trust me, I will come back and give you guys my honest opinion about the groom behavior. For the groom, just man to man, he fucked up. You are dancing with another woman on your wife precious day. That day is your wife day. You're not even supposed to entertain anybody. You're not even supposed to dance with a person. You're supposed to move away from her and go grab your wife and dance with her. Your wedding day is very, very special. It's not the day you play around doing some certain things that is not good to remember. She deserved better. I think that was a slap in her face. That wasn't cool at all. You deserve some spanking, for real. If I were the groom and she won't go away, trust me, I'll just signal the bouncer to kick her out. I don't care who you are. It's not your day. I'm not supposed to dance it with you. And if I try to walk away from you, you keep dancing and you won't let me, like, that doesn't make no sense. Anyways, like I always say, this channel is all about togetherness. It's all about love. It's all about unity. It's all about fitness awareness. It's all about love. So please share, subscribe, and comment. Let's build this channel together. Peace, folks.